Yo, what's up, y'all? It's your Uncle Al again, coming here just to teach you how to drive. All right, some common sense things. Stop the road rage, okay? It's just one of my tips. Stop the road rage. There's really no need to be angry when you're leaving the house, unless it's because you left the house late. You leave the house late, you're the one that's already late. There's no need to rush anybody else that's on the road. Okay, when you do that, you cause accidents. When you cause accidents, now you're never going to get to where you need to go. All right, it's very simple. Very simple. It's a trickle-down effect, right? So instead of leaving late, know what time you need to leave and then do that. Okay, so in other words, if it takes you to get from point A to point B, if it takes you 15 minutes, all right, don't leave exactly 15 minutes. Because what's going to happen is you'll incur some kind of traffic, something's going to hold you back, and you're going to be late. So if you have to be there in 15 minutes, leave 15 minutes before that time. In other words, leave 30 minutes. Leave 30 minutes before you should be over there. That way, whatever happens, you don't have to be in such a rush. You don't have to rush other people. You don't have to goodness forbid, get into an accident. You're not gonna, you avoid all these things. So that's a little bit of how you stop the road rage. Leave earlier, way earlier. If you have to sit there wherever you're supposed to be for a little while, play on your phone. You do that anyway. I see you doing it when you're at the stoplight, so you can do it there. All right. So stop the road rage. Make sure you leave early. And don't rush everybody else on the road. That's how you stop accidents and stop the road rage. Peace out. I love y'all. Uncle Al, that's your tip for today.